I started my YouTube journey with zero audience, no support, and endless self-doubt swirling. The first video took hours to edit, but got zero likes or views. I hit refresh 100 times that day, hoping for something to appear, but nothing came. No views, no comments, no algorithm push, just silence and doubt. Most people quit at this point, convinced they're not good enough for YouTube. But I didn't quit. I reframed the situation and changed my mindset fast. Instead of focusing on views, I focused on videos. I was proud to publish. I reminded myself, even Mr. Beast had videos with under 100 views in the beginning. Your first 30 videos are for learning, not for impressing. Embrace that as fuel. I treated every upload like training, not a performance needing applause or instant approval. When nobody watches, you get the freedom to experiment, mess up, and grow quietly. No audience means no pressure, only raw creative trial and error that leads to mastery. I created videos like I had 10,000 fans watching, even when it was zero. The key shift was creating for my future audience, not today's invisible one. What if someone found this video 6 months later? Would they binge my channel? That question kept me showing up even when motivation ran dangerously low. I stopped checking analytics daily and started focusing on consistent uploads instead. Free videos a week, no matter the views, no matter the mood, just publish. Small wins kept me going. One like, one comment, one extra minute watched. Every video was a brick in my digital foundation. I kept building silently. Motivation didn't come from numbers. It came from purpose and showing up for myself. I used tools like content calendars and checklists to stay focused and track progress. Success wasn't viral views. Success was publishing content even when nobody cared yet. I studied other creators who grew from nothing and reverse engineered their journey. They didn't have magic, just discipline, clarity, and a refusal to give up. I watched YouTubers say, "My first 50 videos were trash." And I related hard. That gave me hope. Growth happens after the grind phase most people abandon early. I joined creator communities for support and posted progress even if nobody responded. One day, a stranger commented, "Thanks for this." It was a life-changing moment. I screenshotted that comment. It reminded me I was building something that mattered. Weeks later, an old video got picked up by search and gained traction. That proved the algorithm needs time. Your job is simply to feed it. I optimized titles, added better thumbnails, and studied YouTube SEO to increase discoverability. I stopped caring about subscribers and focused on value per video instead. Slowly, my mindset shifted from "why is nobody watching" to "how can I improve?" I learned editing shortcuts, improved my hooks, and created system to batch content faster. Even with zero subs, I was building skills that would last a lifetime. Your channel is your resume. Every video proof of your voice and potential. The biggest trap is comparing yourself to someone 10 years ahead of you. Stay in your lane. Growth is only visible after enough consistent reps. YouTube isn't luck, it's skill, strategy, and showing up when it's hard. Burnout came and went, but systems saved me when emotions couldn't. Sometimes I recorded 5 videos in a day, scheduled them, and rested the next week. Treat it like a marathon. Pace matters more than explosive sprint moments. People forget this. Zero views doesn't mean your content sucks. It just needs time. Most creators give up even notices their channel exists. Don't wait to be discovered. Act like you're already building a brand. Eventually, I hit 10 subscribers and it felt bigger than any viral moment. Those first 10 came after uploading 40 plus videos without any audience engagement. The day I hit 1,000 views across my channel, I nearly cried with joy. Each milestone hit harder because I stayed through the silence, the rejection, the self-doubt. You don't need talent to win on YouTube. You need grit and consistency. Keep uploading, keep learning, and make videos your future self will be proud of. If you're at zero now, know this: the only way to lose is quitting. I stay motivated because I realized success was showing up, not going viral overnight. And if I could keep going with zero views, so can you. Start today.